In this video I'm demonstrating the plugin for Ubot Studio, which is part of Bot Guru Secured standard version. Okay, so when you've actually unzipped everything on the Bot Guru Secured package and you get to the plugins and you've unzipped whichever version you've got, on this one we're demonstrating the standard version, so you make sure it's unpacked. Next thing we do, make sure we've got Ubot loaded, go to the Tools menu, select Plugins, and we click Add. Now don't worry if you can't see all of these plugins here, or if you see different ones. It depends what plugins that you have loaded. So we click Add, and then we click the plugin we want to install, which is called Protect It. We click OK, and then you'll see the plugin appear there. So we can then close that. Open the toolbox on Ubot Studio, and then you'll see a Protect It come up in the commands. Now what we need to do here is we need to get the license ready, so I'll just pause this video while I get my license. Okay, so we drag the node in, and then it's going to pop up a little box saying license key. Now this is the license key that you'll get back once you've sent us the generated code that we asked for. Please make sure you've read the manual. If you do have any questions, you can contact me, Jane, or TJ, or you can put a support ticket in at the support desks. Okay, so we paste the license in there. Now license server details, IP and host name. Now what we do on this is the PHP files that you get with Bot Guru Secured that you've uploaded to your license server, or wherever you're putting your license server, we need to put the IP and the address there. So let's say, for example, you don't know that. Just go to the Start menu and type in CMD, that's Charlie Mike Delta, and then it'll pop up with a command box like that. And then in there what we do, let's say for example that we've got this license server on ubotaddons.com, what we do is we type ping ubotaddons.com and then press return, and then what that will do is it will tell you the IP that Ubot Addons is using. So we would then put that in there. And then we'd put the host name in there. Then you click OK. If your license is valid, you'll get that there, and you can just click OK. If you do put a wrong license key in, be warned, it will terminate Ubot Studio, and that's part of our protection. So make sure you do not put the license key in wrong. Now one thing that you might find annoying, or some people might find annoying, the way that the Ubot API works, what we have to do is when we drag the node in, the node's executed. So if we drag the node in again, then it's going to ask for license details again. Now I know that could annoy some people, so what we've done is, the way to get around this is, once you've added your node once to your code, and that will validate your license then for the plugin. So then if you make a define, because it's best to call this in as many places as you can, so if you make a define, then we make a define, and then we'd put in, for example, so we want to call it copy protection. All you do is you drag that node that we just made in there, click OK, and then save you typing your license in every time. All you do then is, when you want to check for your protection, you just copy that in. So you can copy it in as many places as you want without having to type in the license details in more than once. That's it for now. If you've got any questions, like I said, please make sure that you read all the manual, and if you do have any questions about this or the Protect It Pro, which comes with Bot Guru Secured Professional, then like I said, please give me, Jane, or TJ a shout, or contact our support desks, and we will be only too happy to help.